Hi everyone, welcome back to our new video of calculating time complexity. We had seen very basic example in our previous video of how to calculate time complexity. Let's work out on some of the other example in this video, and in our next video we'll take more complex examples. So if you see there are two examples, the first one says that for I from 1 to n you do sum equal to sum plus a of I. So to calculate time complexity, what is the first step we do? We identify the basic operation. So I think you understood that in this basic operation is this, where you are calculating the sum, which is nothing but sum plus a of I. Let's erase there. So you're calculating that way, right? So now what is time complexity? It is the number of times the basic operation got executed. So you understood that this is your basic operation. So how many times this will get executed? So if you see, it is executed from 1 to n. So it will execute how many times? N times. This operation will be executed how many times? N times, because I value will be going from 1, 2, 3 till n, right? So this basic operation gets executed how many times? N times. So time complexity for this algorithm will be O of n. That is the linear. Are you understanding it? This is also on basic operation. Don't worry, basic example. Don't worry about that. Will not be getting a feel of complex problems. You have to wait, and in the next video we'll be taking a good examples for calculating the time complexity. Also, whenever we are discussing some standard algorithm, there also I will show you how to calculate time complexity and space complexity for those particular algorithms, right? Let's work out on our next example, where it says that for I equal to 1 to n do, and then for loop j to 1 n do, then sum plus sum a of ij. The first thing we have to figure it out, what is the basic operation. So I understood that this guy is the basic operation, because here I am doing sum equal to sum plus a of I of j. That is the two-dimensional thing, right? So if you see how many times this operation is getting executed will give me time complexity. So let's work out on that. So I know that I will work from 1, 2, 3 and so on n. Now for I, when I is 1, how many times this guy will work? This will work from 1 to n, that is n times. Can I write that way? Because when I is 1, again the j has to work again starting from 1, 2, 3 to n. That is the right. So can I write this also work for n times? Can I say that way? Can I say this also work n times? Alright, and then this also work n times. Alright, can I write that way? So how many times exactly it happened is n times. That is how many times actually the basic operation got executed is nothing but n into n, that is n square. So time complexity here becomes O of n square. If you are still not understanding, wait for other examples. Once you go through all the example, I think you will get a feel of it. Are you understanding it? So this is how we calculate time complexity. In our next example, we'll take more complex problem. So if you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.